What's up YouTube? Dylan here, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you all how to draw Amethyst from the Steven Universe series. So grab a pencil and piece of paper, let's begin. Amethyst's head is going to be shaped like a circle, and then we're going to draw a little bit of a neckline right here. And then below it, we're going to draw a slightly bigger circle, about a medium size. We're going to build this character a little bit like a snowman, which means that right below this circle, you're going to draw a little bit of a taller circle. And draw lightly. Remember to always draw lightly in the beginning until you have the lines you want for your final drawing commitment. Now we need to put in the center line to know where the middle of her face will be. And then we're going to draw this really wavy shape to know where her hair will go. That's just a guide. Okay, we've got our basic building blocks on this character. Now it's time to draw her face. So we'll draw her nose, which will be like an upside down U that's angled outwards a little bit. Then put a small line right here. Then we're going to put her mouth, starting with the upper lip. Usually we do the eyes after the nose, but we're going to do the mouth first. Then she's going to be smiling. It's going to have a point in the middle. Just make that bean shape, because this smile's got curves on the end of it. And then she's going to be showing 4 teeth. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we will draw the lower lip underneath it. And then we need to draw her eyes, except one eye is going to be hidden by her hair. So we'll just draw this simple kind of oval. And it's going to have like a downward curve beneath it. Just draw that eye. And then you're going to put a little circle inside for the pupil of her eye. Okay, now we need to draw her basic part where her hair begins. So let's just start off by darkening this circle. That's the part of her hair that covers her other eye. And then we'll draw one more right here. And then we'll draw the line of her neck. And then we're going to bring this curve that goes from there like down like this and comes to another point. Now we have to draw another curve below it. And then that's where her arm will be. But first we need to define this part of her hair. It's gonna like start here. Okay, we've got like the basic hair area. Now it's time to draw her body. We'll continue with the rest of her hair once we've got her body. Starting with where the middle circle is. You're gonna put this like sort of like either U shape or a downward C shape. This is like where she's wearing like a tank top. And then then we got to put the other side. Then we have to put the upper part of the sleeve of the shirt. We have to draw this side of her arm so that we can finish the shirt. And then she has this like kind of crystal, so we draw this upside down U shape with these kind of square shapes so that it looks like a crystal, or more triangles. And then right here, you're going to draw an upside down U shape to indicate her other arm. So now we're going to draw her other arm before we get to the rest of her body. It's basically a really thick arm, and her hand is made into a fist. So we draw the upper bridge of her thumb, and we got to put her 3 other fingers. And here's her upper thigh. And here's this. We're drawing now we're onto the bottom circle. And then we bring that down. And on the side right here, there are like holes. And one of them is a triangle, and one of them is a half circle. And now we gotta draw her other arm. And like the other, it's made into a fist, and it's tucked behind her. So we'll draw one thumb, got 2 of the fingers, and then there's her palm. Now let's get her legs. So we'll draw this thigh first. And get her lower foot. It's gonna be like an oval, a sideways oval, half one anyway. And then she's wearing a boot, so we'll draw a curve to close it off. And now let's get to her other boot. And then we'll draw her other foot she's like turned a little bit, so the leg is not gonna be in the same position as the other. And there's the boot closing. And now we gotta draw these stars that are on her knees. And they're soft triangle stars. There's the star. And now right here we'll draw so there's the stars. And now we gotta finish off her hair. Starting down here, we'll draw a point and another one, and then we'll make an sort of a shallow S shape with a point curving all the way up here, and then make a point right here, just like that. And then we can just like shade in the dark things, like the stars on her pants. Like a dark gray, not black. We've done shading a bunch of times in these tutorials. And her shirt, and then if you want, oh, and you can also maybe shade the eye. Now you can put a little shadow underneath her. And keep debris out of the underside of your paper. And there you go. You have made your own picture of Amethyst. Write your name on it, hang it on your refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.